Hello once again, and greetings from Japan. It's December the 19th, and we've still got typical winter weather. It's kind of nice, bright, sunny days. Temperatures between 3 and 4 and 15, and still no snow here in Kanto, but lots of snow I hear in Hokkaido and the Japan seaside. So whether we'll get snow this year, who knows? Anyway, we have today another very nice hybrid, a Toyota 20 Series Alphard hybrid. It's the ATH20. It's a 2012 May with 69,000 miles. And it's just a very nice car. It's the top of the range. It's the GL, so it's got full beige leather, sunroofs, and you name it. It's got all the toys. And this one also has all-round cameras, which is an option, a pretty rare option actually. And it's got some very nice 16-inch aftermarket alloys, which we've left on because we think they look rather nice. The standard wheels are 16-inch. They're exactly the same size as the standard wheel, and we've decided they look nice, so we're going to leave them on. Anyway, so yeah, let's take a look at it. It is just very, very clean. Just, I don't know if there's anything to mention, really. Very good radial tires. It's got automatically folding mirrors when your car goes on and off. And it also has remote engine starting, which is nice. If your house is within range of the car park, you can you set it up so in a cold morning you can start it from the luxury of your house, and by the time you go out, it's nice and warm. Okay, let's just open the back door. Uh-oh, I think they've turned off the, must have turned off the power. Yep, power doors. Oh yeah. There is a switch which allows you to turn off the power remotes on the doors. Okay, so this one, as mentioned, it's got the full beige leather interior in, well, basically immaculate condition. Twin sunroofs. It's got the full rear entertainment with 6 ceiling speakers. It's got the center headrest, which will normally go inside the zip pocket here. Yep, just very, very nice interior. Push that button and it closes. It's got a standard muffler, and as I say, as usual, there's the comprehensive photographs of the car in Dropbox, including lots of photographs of the underneath. As you can see, it's got a hybrid system, the E4. These are 4-wheel drive because they have electric motors on the rear axle. So it's again just a very clean example. (2012 May) with 69,000 miles, 111,000 kilometers. Grade 4 BB. Certainly a grade 4 plus. It's definitely way above average. And the front camera, and as I say, it's got all-round cameras. All right, open the doors. see, the carpets are just perfect. No, the rear remote that will be sent obviously with the paperwork. And as usual on these, we've installed the handles here to allow the seats to move sideways, which for some reason on this model they don't put in normally. The rear entertainment, the twin sunroofs. Okay, we'll just move the seat sideways and then we'll just pull it backwards here so you can see it in the rear. Just a perfect interior. It's really, really nice. Okay, and these seats have all kinds of features. As the if you see the photographs anyway, it demonstrates all the various positions. You also have a very convenient little switch on the passenger seat, so the driver's seat or the rear passenger here can adjust the position of the front passenger seat if you want it further out of the way. Okay, closing the doors. Take a look. And of course it has keyless entry. The key is in your pocket. You just have to touch the handle and it opens. Nice clean door card. And various memory positions for the driver's seat, which is convenient. Comes with 2 smart keys and the remote engine starter. And of course power front seats and center seats as well. They're all power operated. Okay, so it's hybrid. So we just start it up. And the cameras, can I demonstrate the cameras? Hopefully. Yeah, you can see the all-round image and the rear image there. Useful for parking in tight places. It's got the manuals here. It's got the controls for the sunroofs and the slide doors. Here, it's got heated front seats and eco mode, EV mode. Nice convenient little center box here with USB ports, etc. Positively a non-smoker car, and it has Bluetooth controls, audio controls on the steering wheel, cruise control, automatic lights, and also automatic wipers. And it has heated front screen, so if you've got ice on in the morning, you can release your windscreen wipers. And various other things. Very clean dash. Very clean. Yeah. I think that is about it for the interior. And yeah, we need to just, can we start it up? So you can see all the warning lights are off. Here we go. All the warning lights are off. And we do diagnostics checks on the hybrid system and the batteries. So they're supplies. If you look in the Dropbox, there's those hybrid, the diagnostic systems are checked. And yeah, that's about it for the interior. All right, so let's have a look at the engine. Okay, It's got the hybrid system here. It's a 2.4 petrol engine with the hybrid system. So it's, as I'm sure you're aware, Toyota have been making and retailing hybrids for 25 years, since 1997. So the technology is thoroughly tested, and so it's not a problem. Here we have it, grade 4 BB, as good as it gets for a car of this age. Heisei 24, so 2012 May, 111,000 kilometers, which translates to 69,000 miles. And as you can see from the auction sheet, it's just very clean. Car is just a really nice car. The color is the darker pearl color, which personally I prefer to the 070 color. Yeah, there's not a lot of difference. It's just a slightly more creamy color maybe, but I think it has a deeper metallic effect. Personally, I think so. If I was to choose, I mean, I have the white on the Land Cruiser. I prefer this color. Anyway, whatever. He didn't offer it on the Land Cruiser. So there we have it, a 2012 May hybrid. Just a very, very nice car. And so if this car interests you, please do talk to Paul at JA, and he can organize the details for purchasing it, and we can organize the getting it to you, shipping it to you. So anyway, again, thank you for watching, and bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.